Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this creamy, delicious vegan chocolate mousse using tofu, which it's so delicious and I'm so excited to show you guys how to make this.
All right, now we're going to add a few ingredients into the blender and we're going to blend it up before adding in our melted dark chocolate. So I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I like to put that in first just so it doesn't explode all over the place. And next I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now if you want, you can just use sugar instead of maple syrup and that's fine as well, that tastes great. At the end of this you can taste it, and if you find it's not quite sweet enough, you can always add a little bit more sugar, a little bit more maple syrup, blend it up and taste it again. And then an ingredient I like to add is just a pinch of salt. It just kind of elevates the chocolate flavor. And then I'm gonna add in my silken tofu here. So I've got my 700 grams, basically 2 blocks of silken tofu. Add that right in. All right, now we're just gonna blend this on high until it's nice and smooth and creamy. And if it gets stuck, you can just use a spatula. Just scrape it down the middle a little, and then just blend again.
Now this amount is going to make 6 servings or 4 large servings, so if you want less than that, just half the ingredients.
And now I have 200 grams of just dark chocolate here, which is essentially 2 regular sized chocolate bars. Just crumble them up. I am going to be melting the chocolate here, so you can either do this in a double boiler or you can put it in the microwave 30 seconds at a time, stir it and keep doing that until it's completely melted. Now I have my melted dark chocolate here. I'm going to add this right into the mixture.
And now that we've added all that chocolate in, we are just going to blend it up until it is fully combined. Look at how beautiful that looks. So just keep blending until you see that all of the chocolate is blended in.
And then once again, you know, if you need to scrape down the sides to keep it going, if it gets a little bit stuck because it's getting thick, you can definitely do that. All right, look at this beautiful consistency. This is exactly what we're looking for, and it is gonna get even nicer. Sorry, there's a little bit of chocolate on this spoon, but it's gonna get even nicer as we put it in the fridge. You can leave it for half an hour in the fridge. I actually like to leave it up to 4 hours. It gets even better with time.
So as you can see, it's a little bit softer consistency, but it is going to thicken up just perfectly in the fridge. Only takes half an hour. Now before I put it in the fridge, I'm going to put it into the serving containers that I'm going to be using. So you can serve this in little ramekins. You can put it in a martini glass like I did here. I actually only have 2 martini glasses, so I ended up putting the rest just in some highball glasses. And then you can top with your favorite toppings. So I love coconut flakes, any fresh fruit, mint would be good. I even shaved a little bit of fresh dark chocolate on top and added some raspberries. For me, this is the perfect topping, but you can use whatever your personal favorite toppings are that you would love to have on top of a chocolate dessert. Just think of like cherries or strawberries or raspberries or whatever you want on here. And now look at the consistency. Look at how beautiful this looks. And like I said, it will thicken up a little bit even more in the fridge. Like if you wanted to, you could eat it right away if you can't wait. But honestly, it does get better with time, and the leftovers are amazing to eat the next day if you have leftovers. So I would definitely recommend making this large batch. There's my other 2 that just didn't fit into my nice martini glasses. And you can see it makes about 6 servings because it makes actually quite a bit, which is amazing. Great for leftovers. Going to put that in the fridge, and we are just about to do the taste test.
All right, taste test time. Cheers. Let's see. Ooh, beautiful
We've
texture.
had this before, so we know we love it.
Beautiful texture.
And even the tofu haters our guests seem to love this.
Mmm. Very nice. Smooth. Mmm. Velvety. Very nice.
It's so creamy, smooth, and
delicious.
Velvety. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe.